the line. Time for the stretch of the underglow cars. We got a 3-cylinder Corolla, a 4-cylinder Honda, and an 8-cylinder Corvette. The corner worker standing in a position that they can roll gang on this front. I completely jinxed that. I'm so sorry. It crossed the line. Plus 3. Number 628 Honda Civic. Drivers really get stepped up in that turn over at the back of station 2. Now that it's completely dark over there. Looking a lot cleaner on the back half of the run. It's going to be heading towards us. Where the Corvette will launch off the line. That'll be notched 44.395 with Elias in the Honda Civic. Looks like Mikey's going to be our last car. Give us a hell of a run. Corvette down in the Harrison turn.
This might be his last factor.
The basket section. Hard to pick this one, but it looked pretty. Just put a man on hold. 37.0. One foot off the first shoulder of this one.